we decided we wanted to make more use of our backyard. We had a big back patio that basically didn't get used at all, and so this was a way to do that. We went and researched different manufacturers, different kits that you can order online. I thought about building it myself, like installing it myself. Researched another manufacturer here in the state, and went and saw a couple different locations that had some examples that I could see. So actually, a neighbor up the street had one built by Western Timber Frame, and loved it. The quality was great. So had their guys come out and measure, kind of design exactly what we were thinking of, and within like a couple weeks, it was manufactured, and then they scheduled a time to come out and install it, and it was installed within a day. Really quick, the guys showed up on time. I've been really happy with the communication that I've had with them. They've been really responsive. The quality of the product is excellent. Haven't had any complaints. Yeah, so it basically turned our back patio into an extension of our home, right? So it made it much more usable space, and love it out here. So it's all, and based on that, it made it so that we ended up adding more kind of amenities. So with the hot tub and the barbecue and put in fire pit, it just makes it much more much easier to entertain, to have people here to spend a great experience.